Double O.
Nombre.
Oo, double O. Good evening sa tanan. Ang aton first game, daog ang PNP Silay. Ball for Groupers, basket.
Number
3 points.
21, basket, good for 2.
Shout out dan sa tanan nga viewers. Good evening. First game ginap PNP versus Rusi. Ang daog PNP Silay.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10.
Tres, wala. Out of
Awesome.
bounds. Good evening guys. Free shout out. Ano yung shout out na? Medyo malain ang tempo. Ibanez for 3. Wala. Rebound for Metro Talisay. Uy! Wala. Uy! Short. Rebound for
Shot clock 10.
Gruder. Short again. Rebound.
7, 6, 5.
Nice pass. Basket.
Number 77.
Down. Shout out sa lima. Shout out sa mga loyal sa lima. Shout out na sa grupo ko Mayang gabi everyone. 4-3. Rebound. 4. Metro Talisay wala. Metro Talisay ball sa gihapon. Shout out ni Madam kay Canillas kag Aliligay halin kay Paul Jan Lupo Vergas. Pusog.
Score 4-0. Favor of Ruther.
Bas. Lalay siya.
Good for 2.
Kapamunto siya. Inaya lang sila no. No, inaya lang sila no.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10.
To Metro Talisay ball, wala. Rebound for Metro Talisay again. Wala sa giyapon. Rebound for Tatas Bruters. Madam, shout out. Rocky against Tataw. Shout out.
Ball violation.
Leslie Dam, shout out sa napitkan pero bawal upload. sorry guys. May mga pitikit na nga bawal i-upload. Pasensya.
Shot clock 14.
Ang magpa-delete 50 mil ko nung Good!
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Basket. Score 6-2 para sa Cruisers.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
3 points. Wala rebound for Grooters. Wala sa gihapon. Ball for Super Metro sa Lisay. Basket. Score for 6.
Number 24, basket, good for 2.
Nice pass. Basket.
Number 16, basket, good for 2. 4-8-4, favor of the Rooters.
8-4 ang scored.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
1-9.
Number 19. First personal foul, first team foul.
Uy! Wala. Kanugon. 8-4 ang score. 8-4. 3 points. wala. Rebound for Super Metro. Basket. 8-6.
Number 3, basket, good for 2.
Ball for Super Metro for 3. Bam, wala. Rebound for Gruters Ibanez. Nice pass, wala. Metro Talisay ball. Dali lang yun sa mga
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 40
Good
seconds.
evening, madam. Good evening. Omler.
4-8 all.
Kalalas. Uy.
Number
Basket.
25, basket, good for 2.
10-8 ang score. 10-8. Para sa Takas Gruters, 10-8. There's a foul.
Foul number 77. First personal foul. Shot clock 12 seconds. Shot clock 9, 8.
Basket. Wallace Jess.
Number
Wallace
14,
Jess has
basket,
scored.
good for 2.
Wallace Jess first quarter. Steal for Metro Talisay. Nice pass. Uy, isa pa. Wala. Rebound for Super Metro.
10, 9,
Tres! Short! Madam, shout out sa tanda magbasket kag tanda mang babay. From Leslie, why ko daya?
shot clock 15.
Wallace Gis. Steal by Super Metro. 2 versus 1. Oop, isa pa. Game pasa. Wala sa gihapon. Rebound. 4. Super Metro. Why, pagid? There's a foul.
Foul number 14.
Grabe.
Personal foul. First team foul.
Grabe, Lods.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Steal again.
4-10 all.
Wallace Gis.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
3 points. Wala. Rebound for Gruters. There's a foul.
I'm out.
Super Metro. Kasi may tala ka naman wala ako. May tala ka naman. Wallace Gis has scored. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Wallace Gis. Wallace. Wallace Gis Dam, Sheila Dion, Wallace 10. 10 all. 2 minutes, 21 seconds remaining. Number 77 on the free throw line. First attempt, basket. 11-10 para sa Takas Gruters. Second attempt, basket again. 12-10.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
2 minutes, 15 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Ball for Super Metro. Nice pass. Basket and there's a foul.
Number 16.
Clap na kamuda. Wallace Duse.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Basket. 3-point play for number 3. 13-12. Abansin na ang Super Metro. Last 2 minutes on our first quarter. Nice pass!
Number 25, basket, good for 2.
14-13, abanse na ang Takas Grooters.
Shot clock 15.
3 points, basket, wala, rebound for Grooters.
1 minute
13-14.
and 30 seconds.
Rebound. Grooters. Ay for Super Metro. Uy! Wala pa. Out of bounds. Nice save. Laba kamot. May preno, may preno.
1 minute. Shot clock 14.
Persado, persado.
55 seconds.
Rebound for Super Metro. Uy! Basket.
35 seconds.
15-14. Balik ang abanse sa Super Metro.
30 seconds. Shot clock 18.
Nice pass. Basket.
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining on our first quarter. And naagaw.
25 seconds.
Basket.
20. 15.
Up. There's a foul.
Foul number 25. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. 15 seconds.
15-18 ang score
Wow.
para sa Grooters. 15-18.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Basket 3 points! Duy mo court ba? Duy mo court ba? Sa ulo mo ba? Let's go, guys. 15-21 ang score. End of our first quarter. Abanse ang Takas Grooters. 15-21. End of our first quarter. O, sige na. Shout out kay Jay Alolor. Shout out, mga gabi. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out na sa mga galantaw sang ating live coverage of the Ballers League game. Ang ating second game. Super Metro Talisay versus Takas Grooters. Steal. 3 points! Wala.
Shot clock 16.
Steal! For Takas Grooters. Wala. Rebound. Isa pa. Wala pa sa giyapon. Rebound for Super Metro. Oh, dumagaw, dumagaw. Steal. Rebound. Wala. Kanugon. Shout out, madam. Shout out po Nayan. Raji. Shout out. Basket.
Number 3, basket, good for 2.
17-21 ang score. There's a foul. Wala, wala. Traveling. 17-21, traveling violation for the Takas Grooters. 17-21, second quarter na kita. 3 points! Wala. Rebound. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 13. First personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Rebound for Takas Grooters. Team basa. Basket.
Number 4, basket, good for 2. Score
17-23.
23-17 in favor of Grutter.
Basket.
Number 15, basket, good for two.
19-23 ang score. 19-23. Para sa Takas Routers. Steal for Super Metro. Uy, layup short. Basket.
Number 34, basket, good for two.
19-25 ang score. 7 minutes 30 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
Shot clock 10, 9.
Basket.
Number 4, basket, good for two. Score 27-19 in favor of Grutter.
There's a foul.
Foul number 34, first personal foul, second team foul.
Number 12 on the free throw line. First attempt, wala. Second attempt, wala sa gihapon. Violation. (27-19) ang score. 27-19. Out of bounds. Uy. Out of bounds.
Kita mo paano mag-stop?
Shot clock 16,
Oh, there's stepping on the line.
stepping on the line. Remaining time 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
5 minutes, 55 seconds remaining on our second quarter. Ibanez for 3, wala. Follow up, another rebound, wala sa giyapon. Rebound for Super Metro. Bam!
Number 3, basket, good for two.
And steal for Super Metro. 21-27. Basket.
Number 9, basket, good for two.
Super Metro. 29.
Shot clock 17 seconds.
21.
Time out, Super Metro.
Timeout for Super Metro. Score
Remaining
21-29.
time 5 minutes.
Para sa Takas Grutters. 21-29. Time out. Super Metro.
Mari, dois sa mag-iyaw.
21-29 ang score. Second quarter of the game.
14 shot clock.
Basket.
Number 15, basket, good for two. Score 29-23 in favor of Grutter.
29-23 para sa Grutters.
Score, score!
Out of bounds. There's a foul. May foul, wala?
Shot clock 11 seconds.
May foul. Out of bounds lang.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
29-23 sa gihapon.
Muna mag-start.
Shout out sa player of the game.
Lagi ng mga volunteer.
Why pa? Mayong gabi, Angelo Calvo, player of the
1
game.
minute remaining time.
Sir Lapos ang ginpost. Mayong gabi, Damara si Glenn De Luna sa Super Metro. Wala ako balik. Ara ko na si Glenn De Luna. Hello guys, Super Metro. Wala. Wala ko na, wala. Wala, rebound, isa pa. Nice pass.
Shot clock 10,
Sabi ko matira.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Ball, 4.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Basket.
Number 4 basket, good for 2. Foul number 7. First personal foul. Third team foul. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Basket.
Number 15 basket, good for 2.
Shout out kay dunk number 25. 3 points for number 4.
Number
Basket.
4, 3 points.
27-34. Shout out kay Clyde Simpson. Idol ko na sa madam. Hinay lang.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 35
Angelo
seconds.
Cabo, shout out. Shout out Roses de la Peña number. Shout out number 15. Out of bounds. Salamat kay Damay, okay, wala siya, hindi man siya dyan, pumapusla. Shout out na lang ko dam kay Philip Chua, kay Joven Borlas, Team Manukan, laban halin kay Ronel. Rebound for Takas Grooters.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Basket.
Number 4 basket, good for 2.
27-36 para sa Takas Grooters. 3 points! Wala. Ball for... Ano? Aboy. Shout out Mildred Aboy! Shout out!
Block.
Uy, nice pass.
Number
Basket.
3 basket, good for 2. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Nice block.
Foul number 13. First personal foul. First team foul.
29-36 ang score. Number 3 on the free throw. Ay, 34 guys, sorry. 34 on the free throw line. Basket, second attempt.
Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds.
29-37.
14 shot clock.
29-37 ang score. Steal.
1 minute remaining time.
Basket.
Number 4 basket, good for 2.
39-29.
55 seconds.
Palo naman.
15. Shot clock 15 seconds. 48 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 15.
3 points. Basket.
40 seconds.
32-39. 3 points. Wala.
35 seconds.
32-39 ang score.
30.
Sabay.
25 seconds.
Steal. Out of bounds.
20 seconds.
20 seconds remaining on our second quarter.
Isa pa. Picture, picture.
18.
Second block.
15 seconds. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. 4 team fouls.
Box one, box one.
15
Box one.
seconds.
Box one. Isa na nga, isa.
Bam! 3 points again for number 3.
7,
Basket.
6, 5, 4.
Wala.
4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Score to?
3, 2, 1. Time. And the second quarter score 41-35 in favor of Brewster.
41-35 ang score. End of our second quarter. Abansi ang Grooters anom 41-35 in favor of Grooters. End of our second quarter. Thank you so much to all our sponsors. Madamong salamat. Mayor Judith C. Gallego, Vice Mayor Tom Ledesma, Councilor Nainay Penuela, Councilor Mike Marvilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, Ka-Premier Roldan of Barangay Balaring Silay Institute, Otsoy's Bistro, Chick Boys Grill, The Yard, Punagaris Place, Pintok Arts, Gaston Tattoo, and most especially to Sir Paulo Chanco of Paulo Chanco Organization. Madamo gid nga salamat.
Di ba plus? Pila plus? Sir? Apat ang kulang nila. Walang plus?
Wala sir, plus pili lang player. Oo. $35-41 ang score. Gapili pa ang Takas Grooters. Opo. Ah. 1, 2, 3. Sapay. O sige, 1, 2, 3. Tara, third quarter na ta. 35-41 para sa Takas Grooters. 3 points. Wala. Rebound for Grooters. Up. Traveling.
Kuang bulat. Ambal, bulan din.
Basket, wala. Rebound,
16
out of bounds.
shots.
Ball for Grooters. 16 on the shot clock. 3 points, wala. Out of bounds. Rebound for Grooters. There's a foul.
Foul number 24, first personal foul.
Wala. Cornelius, number 9, on the free throw line. Rebound. Shout out kay Lerpa Joy. Shout out. Good evening.
Shot clock 16.
Panit.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
3
9.
points short. Isa pa. Another try. Wala. Rebound for Takas Grooters.
Shot clock 12.
There's a foul basket.
Foul basket. Foul number 14.
35-43.
14, second personal foul.
Later, ano muna picture? Nugo ka layup. Ball for Grooters. Basket. Give her to 46-35.
Number 12, basket, good for 2.
Ano ba yan? Steal for Takas. 3 versus 1.
Di ba tungo mag-dribble? Di ba tungo?
Remaining time 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
35-46 ang score.
Ba!
Teka. Para wala na to ah. May effects na, may effects. Lapad ang paa.
Number 9, 3
points.
points.
$49-35 na. Score $49-35.
Shot clock 14.
Dress. Rebound for. Out of bounds. Red.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Steal for Super Metro.
Score 49-35 in favor of Grooters. Shot clock 14.
Short. Ball for the Cast Grooters. Uy! Wala. Rebound.
Foul number 24. First personal foul. Remaining time 5 minutes.
Ball for Super Metro. Uy pa.
Shot clock 14.
Dress!
3 points.
38-49 para sa Grooters. 11.
14 shot clock.
Ball for Super Metro.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Nice pass.
14 shot clock.
Yeah.
Number 24 basket, good for 2.
40-49. Three points, basket.
Number 9 basket, good for 2.
2 points lang. 40-51 for Grooters.
Time out, Super Metro. So foul number 0.
Ano, sir? Ikaw eh. Sa ano?
Demonstration to tomorrow. 2 p.m. Kapitambay.
I-message mo sa ako pero hindi ko nag-
Trabaho, trabaho.
Shot clock 14.
Ball for Grooters. Nabili ng bola. Wala. Rebound. Ball for
Remaining time 3
Metro.
minutes and 15 seconds.
Three points. Wala. Ball for Grooters sa gihapon. Wala.
Nice one.
Basket.
Number 14, basket, good for 2.
53-40.
4:53:40, favor of Routers. Shot clock 15 seconds.
3 points. Wala. Rebound.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Uy. $53-40 ang score. 53-40 in favor of Chakas Routers. Uy, short. Ball for Super Metro.
2 minutes remaining time.
2 minutes remaining on our third quarter. Uy, tapal. There's lang. There's lang.
Shot clock 19.
Nice block for up foul. Ano to? Outside really.
14 shot clock.
Ay, diyan pa.
Remaining time 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number
Basket.
3, basket, good for 2.
Sabat yung mga sobra.
Number
Basket.
0, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Pagbilang ka na. Basket.
Down.
Foul basket. Foul number 0.
44-55.
Second personal foul. Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Rebound for the Casguters. 44-55 ang score on Seban Saves and the Casguters. 44-55. Uy!
Number 9, basket, good for 2.
Kita mo to, sir? Uy! Still.
Nice one. Ay!
Why na?
58 seconds remaining time.
There's a foul.
Foul number 14. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Remaining time 52 seconds.
Number 5 on the free throw line. Basket. 45-57. Second attempt. Short rebound for Takas.
50 seconds.
Yeah.
45. Shot clock 16.
Wala. Rebound.
14.
$45-57 ang score.
35 seconds.
Out of bounds.
20 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Basket.
22 seconds. 20.
Kuan.
17 seconds.
47-57 a score.
17
47-57.
seconds remaining time. 15. 12. 10. 9. 8. 7 seconds. Foul number 14. Second personal foul penalty.
47-57
7
a score.
seconds remaining time.
Basket. Number 3 on the free throw line. Second attempt.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ay! Basa ang bola. And our third quarter. 48-57.
in favor of the Rooters.
Yo, una-una ka. 48-57 ang score. Katigulong, lululoan siya, oy.
Para na bro.
Fourth quarter na kita. Pingagawon ta.
Noras na, oras is na.
Hindi kayong ulan. Overtime pagid din, oh.
Tira no! Oh, tira no!
Uy!
Oh, tira no!
Number 77, basket, good for 2.
Ano, may pamatian sang ikot sa mga saba. Bam! Wala short. Uy! Ay! Wala pa.
15 shot clock.
Basket.
Number 15, basket, good for 2. 4:59:50
Labas siya ka
in
mo
favor
to.
of the Rooters.
Lifting.
Nice man!
Number 3 for 3. Basket. 53-59 ang score. 53-59. Uy!
Number 77, basket, good for 2.
Uy, buron. Di na ko di pagigo, ah. There's a foul.
Foul number 25,
9:16.
remaining time 9 minutes and 16 seconds.
53-61, number 8. Ay, number 9 on the free throw line. That's my lucky number. Oh, dapat number 9. Makiling, number 9. Basket. 54-61. Three points short. Lolo. Uy! Rebound! Wala. 3 versus 1.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 15 seconds.
Steal for Super Metro. Uy! Basket.
Number 3 basket, good for 2. Score 61-56 in favor of Routers.
61-56. Number 25 for 3. Wala.
15 shot clock.
For 3 again. Wala. Out of bounds. Ball for the
13
Casperters.
shot clock. Remaining time 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 25 basket, good for 2.
Ulo, inga saba yun. Uy!
Number 77 basket, good for 2.
Labiling time.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Basket.
Number 3 basket, good for 2.
58-65 ang score. Isa pa? Wala.
Stop.
Oh,
Remaining time 7 minutes.
58-65 ang score. Number 9. Baskog. Ay, wala pa isa pa. Rebound. Ay, short pa gig. Nugon. 3 points. Basket.
Number 4, 3 points.
68-58. Number 3 for 3. Wala. Rebound for Super Metro. There's a foul.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 6 seconds.
Basket. Sino foul? Second attempt, basket again. 71-58. 13 avance sang Casperters. Olo. Oh.
Aro. Tibol. Aro. Ha?
Liso.
Ano rin sa'yo pag
Basket.
Number 9 basket, good for 2.
60-71.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Nice pass.
Number 34 basket, good for 2.
60-73.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 15.
For the Casperters. Three points. Wala. Rebound again for
Shot clock 10. 9.
Lo, bakas-bakas niya. Three points.
Super Metro.
Time out for Super Metro.
Red.
Time.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
60-76 ang score. Ay, salamat. Wala na nagulan. Three points short. Uy! Uy, kapal!
Shot clock. Shot clock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
3 points! Ibanez, wala rebound.
Shot clock
For
14.
the Rooters. Wala sa gihapon. Ball for Super Metro. Oh, go! Pushing foul.
Foul number 9. First personal foul. Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Uy!
Sub.
Lima.
Jamorant.
Behind.
Uy!
Number 24 basket. Good for two.
Abi ko'y dunk ba?
3 minutes remaining time.
3 points, too strong. And still basket. 62-78.
14 shot clock. 10, 9, 8, 7. Awesome. Remaining time 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
Three points. Awas.
Last 2 minutes.
3 points. Wala. Rebound for Super Metro. Basket.
Score 78-64 in favor of the Rooters. Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Ang bilin ng bola. Nugan! Nagkadlaw pa.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
1:15 remaining. Uy! Basket! 66-78. 3 points.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
66-78. Buwian. 24 for 3, wala. Sa pihak. Basket.
40 seconds.
81-66. Basket.
35 seconds. 30.
Goal!
15. 10. 9. 8. 7.
Basket.
6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time.
72-81. Oo. Score pa to. So,
Final score 72-81 in favor of Brewers.
congratulations! Natapos din ang game. Congrats! Ban, wala no. Saan ka punta? 1, 2, 3.
Muna iyan. Tangsa, uy, ang mga yan.
Gani, dugay no. Gani. Congratulations.
Buhay ko na lang. Patos ko. Sarap patos ko. Dalawa na sa niyo. Yan, pangit sa patos. Yan, pangit sa
Last game na, last game.
Next game na to.
Tulong lang, boss, lang.
Ay, wala pa ko kakain live, gali.